Alright guys, here's day 2 of flying my drone over here in South Korea. I'm back at the same park, and where I was yesterday I did some damage to my drone. I'll have that video pop up in this video at the end of it if you want to check that out. But here's round 2. Let's see how it goes. Alright, so here I am. I officially have liftoff here. And yeah, I'm sending up now, going up past the trees, and yeah, I just want to check out that cross on the top of the church. This is a well-known landmark in my area, and I'm still a little shaky getting the hang of it. I'm still a beginner, but as you can see, it's a really nice day here in Incheon, South Korea. Nice blue skies, no wind, and here I'm getting to the elevation of the cross. And I'm learning as I get closer, I'll switch over from sport mode to the slow mode, so it's easier to control. And I'm at the cross now, and yeah, here I am getting really, whoa, too close there. Yeah, that could have ended badly. And you can see the drone is a little shaky. There is some wind. It's surprising to me how like it'll be really calm down below, but as you get higher up, the winds are like a lot stronger than you expect. Here's a top-down view from the top of the cross. I just thought it was cool, and yeah, the winds are pushing me around a little bit. That was me over in the left-hand corner, and yeah, and here's the lake park, or sheep park. They have actually sheep at this lake, and I do a little 360-degree bird's eye view here. You can just see what it's nice, such a nice day out. This is in Incheon, that borders Seoul. It's called Nohyeon Nomdonggu area. And yeah, here I am descending back to the park, the little skateboard park that I'm at. And yeah, that went smooth. My confidence level is getting higher. And ooh, check out those legs. Ooh la la. Okay, for the second part of this video, I want to go check out that logo at the building. I know it's very random, but just thought I would go check it out. It's nothing special, kind of boring, so I sped it up 2 times, I think, just so it wouldn't be so monotonous. That's why it looks extra shakier than it actually is. And as I approach the logo here, Hanhwa, I think this is when I start to get battery warning messages, so I decide to return. In the next video, I'm going to approach the Namdong Tower. I've no idea how far it actually is, but I thought it'd be cool to go check it out. I think there was a coffee shop in it. I'm not sure if it's still going, but I'm gonna go attempt to fly to it. This will probably be the gutsiest video I've ever made, so let's see how it goes. And also, if you want to take a close look, I'll have all the Amazon links in the description if you want to go check them out. And also think about giving me a sub to my channel. I would really appreciate that. And that's a wrap for another drone video. Have a good one.